You came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel, and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the hum of the motor. It's so much better off alone.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am bringing you all along with me while I unpack. We are just returning home from vacation, and I am also going to be giving you some cleaning and laundry motivation. So if you all are ready, let's go ahead and get this party started.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
So after being gone for a week and having the house closed off for so long, I like to come in and turn on my wax warmers. This way I can get a good smell going in the house.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So whenever we return home from vacation, I always unpack the same day. I don't care what time it is, y'all. I just go ahead and get it done. And then I just go through our bags and take out all of our dirty clothes. And then that way I can just go ahead and put them in the washer.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside.
Y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know if you unpack the same day that you get home, or do you wait until later.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just
And while I was unpacking our bags, my husband was getting started on dinner.
come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body.
And now that I've got my first load going, I'm going to go ahead and put away everything that we didn't wear. And then I'll move into the bathroom so that I can put away our toiletries. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
exactly where to push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
And now that I'm done putting everything away, I'm going to go ahead and get my first load in the dryer, and then I'll put my second load in the washer. So before we go any further, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by GEMITTO. They sell lots of different kitchen products, tools, and household items, and they have their own shop on Amazon. And they reached out to me to see if I wanted to try a couple of their products, and I was absolutely thrilled to do so. And the first product is this stainless steel double roll toilet paper holder with the cell phone tray. It's very easy to install, it's wall mounted, and it's perfect for your home or either a commercial setting. And it also comes with the anchors and screws to install it. So the first thing we did was take down our old toilet paper holder. And now my husband is just going to use a leveler to make sure that it's even on the top and the sides before he actually mounts it to the wall. And now that he's made sure that it's even, he's going to go ahead and mark where the screws are going to go. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love the sleek design of it. It looks so much better than the traditional toilet paper holder, and the storage shelf for your cell phone is absolutely perfect. And they also sent me a 4-pack of their large capacity dust-free closet storage bags. It's made of a non-woven fabric that promotes ventilation, and it protects your store items. You can store anything from pillows to blankets, toys, and clothes. And I'm loving how much you can get into one bag.
Is
And I love how it has a transparent window so you can see what you have stored. And it also has strengthened handles that hold up to about 11 pounds. I want to thank GEMITTO again for sponsoring this video. If you all are interested in any of the products that were featured, I will have a link in the description box below, and I am working with them to get a discount code for you all.
You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion.
Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get back into it. So now I'm going to get my first load out of the dryer, and then I'll put my second load in, and then I'll get my third load going in the washer.
I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
And now I'm going to do a little cleaning in my bathroom. I didn't do my weekend cleaning before we left because I had some other things going on. But I'm not going to do any deep cleaning tonight. I'm just going to sweep the floors real quick, and then I'll clean the toilet and the sinks and countertops.
You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So long.
Okay, y'all, it is now after 1 o'clock in the morning and your girl is ready to call it a night. So I'm going to go ahead and get my second load out of the dryer so that I can get those clothes folded before I go to bed. And then I'm going to put my last load in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell before you go. And also don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.